गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब। सो वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। सो टुडे स्टार्टिंग माय डे विद अ लिटिल प्लानिंग. टुडेज व्लॉग इज़ जस्ट अ सिंपल नॉर्मल डे एंड नथिंग फैंसी. बस एक सिंपल सा डे है जैसे हर किसी का होता है. सो आई जस्ट थॉट दैट आई शुड फिल्म सच अ वीडियो and show it to you that how I spent my day and what all I do normally. So the first thing that I made was masala bhindi. So trust me, the aroma itself was enough to make my mood happy. And you can see how delicious it is looking. So ये super clay Doraemon मैंने कल बनाया था and seriously it turned out cute. It is looking exact like a Doraemon. So comment below कि कैसा लग रहा है. And I also made a teddy, but let's say it didn't go as planned. It's looking more like a cartoon than a teddy, but thoda fun तो यही है ना. So things don't have to be perfect to be special. So it's more looking like a pig, I can say. Anyways, I'll try to improve my skills. फिर उसके बाद I had dry fruits as usual. Then उसके बाद my mom always insists me to have one fruit each day. So I had this papaya today. After which I had this egg curry जो कल बनाई हुई थी. Then I applied ghee on my hair length for making my hair shine. It's one of my favorite hair care hacks. Totally natural and works like a magic. I usually keep it for some time, then wash it off, and trust me, the shine afterwards is just wow. Then I secured my hair with a clutcher. उसके बाद I also applied neem powder on my face. It helps keep my skin clear and fresh. Plus it's such an easy DIY skincare step. So एक बोल में हमें लेना है नीम का पाउडर. Then add some rose water or water as per your preference. Mix it and just apply it on your face. Till it gets dry, let me show you my Karela plant. It's growing so beautifully. I just love seeing these small green moments around the house. So it is taking support of the window. And this makes us realize that how beautifully Mother Nature has created each and everything. Also guys, if you know the name of this plant, then please let me know in the comment section. After that, I cleaned my room a bit, kept all the things in their place, cleaned my bed, and wiped my study table nicely. It was feeling so good after cleaning. Sometimes even a little cleaning brings so much peace. And यहाँ चुटकी बजा के हमने बेड कर लिया है clean. Most of the time I am in my room and therefore I ensure that everything is kept nicely and it is clean. So yeah, this task is also done. After finishing up the cleaning, I finally took a shower. The moment that cool water touched my skin, I could literally feel all the tiredness washed away. I was feeling so fresh and so light. Then I went straight to the balcony just to soak in some sunlight. I sat there quietly for a while. No noise, no phone, just me and that warm morning light. It felt so peaceful, like time had slowed down for a bit. उसके बाद I did a bit of skincare. I applied this vitamin C serum from Dermaco and honestly it works wonders. It feels so light on the skin and gives that natural glow which I absolutely love. A little skincare moment always makes me feel so refreshed and confident. Then I use coconut oil for moisturizing my skin. It's such a simple step, but I absolutely love it. Totally natural and no chemicals at all. It keeps my skin soft and hydrated. Then I checked my to-do list for the day. I love ticking off things. It gives such a satisfying feeling. It also helps me to stay on track and see how my day is going. Hi, so मैंने ये सर से वो निकाल दिया है and still my hair is quite damp but it is shining. So अभी सूखने के बाद let's see the result. So after this I will have my lunch and then I'll study for a few hours and फिर शायद कहीं जाने का plan है. If it's confirmed then I'll show you or I'll film that as well. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So basically, it's been 1.5 years I haven't done any of the remedy for my hairs. बिल्कुल भी ध्यान नहीं दिया मैंने since then, and because time ही नहीं मिला. I was so much occupied in exams after 12th CA foundation, उसकी preparation. So ज़्यादा time नहीं दे पाई मैं खुद को, and that's why I also didn't try out any of the remedies. Otherwise मेरे बाल इतने लंबे थे. You can see the photo here. But ठीक है, अभी मैंने कट कर लिया है. I was facing a lot of hair fall, and to get rid of it I just trimmed my hair. But okay, मुझे लंबे बाल अभी भी पसंद है, and I'm planning कि I will not cut my hairs too much now. So yeah, that is all. Naturally dry होने तक का इतना patience नहीं है, so अभी मैं blow dry करूँगी अपने hairs को, and I'll show you how my hair is looking after drying completely. So finally मेरे बाल सूख गए. I'm just detangling my hair now. So I am personally finding it so smooth and everything. So the texture has improved in the first wash only. So you can see it. So you can also try out this remedy. Yeah, it's looking so smooth, manageable, silky, shiny and everything. So completely तो सूख नहीं गया है मेरे बाल, but so therefore I'm not making a braid. I will just leave it off so that it gets completely dried off. तो जब मैं छोटी थी, so I have used a variety of ingredients on my hair. So like onion ka juice, then dahi, doodh. Then I had my lunch because honestly I was so hungry by that time, and I made myself a nice plate of food and I enjoyed it while watching Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. It's my comfort show. No matter how many times I watch it, it still makes me smile. उसके बाद आई डिड सम स्टडी, एंड मैं थोड़ा सो भी गई थी फॉर अराउंड 30 minutes बिकॉज आई वॉज फीलिंग लो. आफ्टर दैट आई गॉट रेडी टू गो फॉर अ प्रोग्राम, बट एग्जैक्टली कौन सा प्रोग्राम था मुझे खुद नहीं पता था, एंड मम्मा सेड that ready ho ja. So I just did, and sometimes I don't even ask much, just get dressed and go with the flow. So we finally got ready and left around 4 baje. But guess what, cab का कोई पता ही नहीं. We waited till 4:30 and still nothing. So we ended up cancelling that cab and booking another one. And finally, after all that waiting, we reached our destination at 4:40 something. When we finally reached, तब पता चला कि ये प्रोग्राम तो एज ओल्ड पीपल के लिए है. For a second I was like, मैं यहाँ क्यों आई? But then a few people started talking so sweetly that I just couldn't stop listening to them. There was also a dance performance by some old aged ladies, and honestly it was so wholesome to watch. उनके faces पे जो happiness थी, that's what made it so special. सो वहाँ पर जो एक दादाजी थे, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी स्पीच दी, एंड ही सेड समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड टुडे इन टुडेज बिजी लाइफ. सो या आई विल शो दैट क्लिप एज वेल. ड्यूरिंग द स्पीच द स्पीकर आस्क्ड अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन, हु इज़ योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड? आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन है? योर मॉम, डैड और समवन क्लोज टू यू? And then he said, your best friend is your health. That line really hit me because it's true. No matter how we love others, if our health isn't good, nothing feels right. It's honestly something we all need to understand and remember. And शायद इसलिए कहते हैं health is wealth. After that we headed home and reached around at 7 p.m. हमें उसके बाद जाना था सुपरमार्केट फॉर सम शॉपिंग. So I am ending this vlog here. It was just a normal day, but I really wanted to share a little part of it with you guys. Sometimes even simple days hold the best moments, right? Let me know in the comment section how do you like it? And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such cozy vlogs. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.